Hello and welcome to Cleaning the EC Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. So if you've watched any of our previous videos, you may have heard us talk about certain spray mop systems. Specifically, we have talked about Rejuvenate and Bona. And we thought we would show you one of the reasons why we don't like these types of floor cleaners. Now, keep in mind, these are our opinions, but we wanted to share this with you and show what we have come across. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next time we upload. Hit that like button and make sure you leave us a comment. And now on to the video.
Off-brand whatnot, it would leave streak marks of soap trails where the tires go, and it's just impossible to get up with the Bissell. You have to go over it with the freaking mop. I shouldn't say freaking, but
just say it.
It's frustrating. It is a frustrating process when you start using these products because it's just leaving soap on the floor, and soap attracts dirt too. So if you find that your socks are getting dirty because you've used Rejuvia, it's because it's just sucking in dirt and just keeping it there. It's not removing the dirt because there's soap left on the floor because it's Rejuvia. I shouldn't say Rejuvia, but I hate it.
I hate it. I hate it with every fiber in my being.
We're focusing right here. Look, there's not a lot of soap.
And that's
That's
fluff.
my cleaner.
That's fluff. That's stuff that was picked up off the floor.
I hope you can see it because I can see it clearly from here. It's all just soap. That's just what happens with Rejuvia is you're just spraying product down and then
Spreading
smearing it
around.
around. You're basically like buttering up your floors. Right now, I just want to make sure that it looks good. So I am just going with the grain and getting it to look so it's not streaky. The issue is that the longer that I do, or the more of the floor I do, the more Rejuvia my vessel's picking up. And it's just collecting into my roller, and it makes my job so much harder.
It makes my job that much harder. All right, look.
That's straight up Rejuvia. What do I do? Now and clean, so let's see how quick it's gonna take for that Rejuvia to build back up into my vessel. I have to keep doing that throughout the floors or else I don't feel like the floors get clean. Now I don't feel like this section of the floor has the Rejuvia, which is good.
Oh, I can see it right there.
Well, it's starting again then. I want to pick up as much of the soap as possible. I don't know. I just feel like there's no easy way to handle Rejuvia. Like, this shouldn't be my main focus, and yet it is. I'm just complaining. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
It's inconvenient. Work smarter, not harder. Rejuvia is a quick solution to a long-term problem.
Wow.
That's like a protein shake. Look at all those little hair bits. It's good filling protein. And it's time for new mop water. So
It's so sudsy though, or mop water's never that sudsy. It's not good to have that much soap in your mop water.